What appears on screen is a thermostat with a 5-inch edge-to-edge touchscreen, noticeably larger and more display-forward than most smart thermostats currently on the market. The Honeywell X8S seems designed to function as more than a temperature control device. At first glance, the video doorbell integration appears to be the most distinctive feature. Compatibility with Ring and First Alert video doorbells allows live camera viewing directly on the thermostat's screen, a feature that seems to reposition the device from single-function hardware to a light home security display. One thing that stands out is the indoor air quality monitoring. CO2 levels, particulate matter, temperature, and humidity all appear visible on the same interface, giving the thermostat a sensor hub quality that broader smart home setups may find useful. Moving on to energy management, adaptive recovery technology seems to learn the system's heating and cooling behavior over time, adjusting preconditioning timing to reduce energy waste. Smart room sensors and auto-away adjustments appear to further optimize consumption. From here, Matter certification makes the X8S compatible with Apple HomeKit, Google Home, and Amazon Alexa, which seems to reduce platform lock-in concerns. Setup has been noted by some reviewers as more involved than typical thermostat installations, particularly for the doorbell pairing process. Priced around $220, the experience feels like a premium but competitively positioned smart thermostat for users who value a multifunction display and proactive HVAC monitoring. Depending on your existing doorbell ecosystem and smart home setup, this appears to offer a genuinely expanded definition of what a thermostat can do.